Hi guys,
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you all know, we recently took a trip to Thailand.
We shopped a lot and I requested my mom to come on board for this video. जैसे कि मैंने एक Instagram पे पोल डाला था asking you guys what would you like to see first and आप सबने वोट किया है food और snacks hall aka
7-Eleven Hall.
So
Let's get started. Since we are matcha paglu, starting the video with matcha.
this one we got from 7-Eleven, but these two we got from a night market in Arnag. We haven't tried these yet, but we are really looking forward to trying them.
We are all fond of imli candies and we make sure whenever we travel we carry them along, but इस बार हम नहीं लेके जा सके.
So we went to 7-Eleven to find some and हमने एक ऐसी कैंडीज ली वहाँ पे that we tried then and there and it was so good कि हम इतने सारे पैक्स लेके आए हैं and these are so nostalgic, they always hit the spot. हमने वियतनाम में पीलिंग कैंडीज फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई करी थी and I was quite sure कि थाईलैंड में भी हमें ये कैंडीज मिलेंगी, so
we restocked them.
Then some more chatter-patter items because why not? We have banana taro and sweet potato chips.
Then some prunes, dried prunes and dried strawberries.
Then we have these mint candies जो कि हमने try करी थी after our massage at the massage parlor because they had these free candies that you could pick and हमने ये pick करी and it was so good. These were like mints but in a toffee form and हमने इसका एक sachet संभाल के रखा and we kept looking for it everywhere and finally
we got them at 7-Eleven and we picked them all.
जितना स्टॉक था सब उठा लिया.
We also picked this vitamin C drink,
which is quite viral and I've seen that it comes very handy if you have like a hangover. You take this with lots of ice and a sachet of electrolytes, mix it all together and it works its magic. Then you know Thailand is quite famous for its supplements and we saw at 7-Eleven majorly कि जो भी ये collagen, vitamin C, glutathione वाले supplements होते हैं, they were all available in like jelly or gummies form. So we randomly picked this collagen chewy jelly. Haven't tried it yet, but it says 400 mg per pack. Quite promising and looking forward to trying this.
and these are for me.
Then we all know these Poke Sticks in strawberry.
And obviously matcha.
Then we got some biscuits because 7-Eleven पे आप घूम रहे हो. Like we used to go there every night before going back to the hotel and they were so done with me. But you get so tempted looking at all those, you know, fancy biscuits and stuff. So we picked a few. This is basically a chocolate disc. You can see the packing here. It has like chocolate, caramel and coconut all in one and it tastes really good. We have tried these.
And these are a regular Moneko biscuit but from Thailand. So बनता था लेना.
लेना तो बनता था. Lastly we have these pineapple cookies. इसकी मैंने Instagram पे स्टोरी भी डाली थी because हमें ये खाने में कब मिले थे?
We were on the boat.
And even before that for our refreshments जब हम फीफी आइलैंड जा रहे थे तो वहाँ पे वो लोग हमें ये बार बार सर्व कर रहे थे. मुझे usually जिम जाम्स नहीं पसंद आते because they're so sweet but these were not so sweet.
No, they're too good.
This had like a pineapple filling so एक वो sour taste भी है and
Little bit tangy.
just so obsessed with them and मैंने तभी मम्मा को बोल दिया था that मुझे अगर ये कहीं बिस्किट्स मिल गए ना really want to take them home. तब तक मुझे पता नहीं था कि शायद ये थाईलैंड के थोड़े फेमस बिस्किट्स हैं because after that ये हमें सब जगह दिख रहे थे but we picked these from 7-Eleven so probably this is specialty but if you go to Thailand ये जरूर लेके आना because they're so good.
Yeah.
Cheers, इतनी बातें कर ली अब तो बनता है. To end the video we have some more things matcha starting with
Matcha Kit Kat.
which is quite the deal because मैंने इसकी story post करी थी because I did not expect to find this in Thailand. I always used to think कि शायद matcha Kit Kats are only available in Japan and जैसे ही मैंने इसकी story डाली I got so many DMs because probably most people think the same. We have tried it and it is
Amazing.
and we just have one left. We did not hoard it so I think I'm just gonna keep it for myself.
So हमें थाईलैंड में जो भी matcha flavor देखा, pick them all. And this is matcha flavored cookies.
And these are like Lotte biscuits. If you know Hello Panda biscuits, it's exactly that, but from Lotte. Also matcha flavored and it says rich matcha, so quite promising. Really looking forward to trying this. Might as well just try it now. Ooh. Let's see. There you go. It says money.
Shoes.
Money. They know me well. Let's try.
Very good prominent flavor.
It is milky, but it is also strong at the same time. Really good. Better than the Poke Sticks. That is quite milky.
Yes.
But
Good ones.
ending the video on a good note. So this brings us to the end of this video.
And we tried to show you our best picks.
Hope you enjoyed watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to both our channels because that's my mom and you better show some extra love for her.
See you soon.
Hopefully together again.